I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of the decorate with me. I hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's part 1 where I decorated the Christmas tree, did my console table and some bookshelves. I think it turned out amazing. If you haven't watched it yet, I will link it down below. It was yesterday's Vlogmas, but today I wanted to show you guys a really easy DIY garland that you can do for your mirror. So I saw this really beautiful photo and I believe it was CB2's catalog, and as soon as I saw it I was like, I have to recreate that. That is absolutely gorgeous, something that I would never think to do. Just a great idea to decorate for Christmas if you kind of have a tight space or you're not trying to get a bunch of Christmas decor, still trying to be festive but be on a little bit of a budget. So I'm gonna share everything that you guys need and we're just gonna get started. First is the most important, and I feel like this is probably gonna be the hardest to find, but it is garland. I'm gonna pick up mine that I got, and I think this looks so real for what it is. So it is faux garland, and I bought this from Piper Classics. I'm not sure if they're still in stock. Everything that I show in this video, just like yesterday, I will link it down below in the description box. My outfit, any of like the decor that you see, I will link it down below, so just check the description box. This garland looks so real. It is long needle pine garland. It is super hard to find. I've found a few that were really expensive, and just for what it is, like obviously Christmas decor is something that you use once a year, you stow it away. I just really didn't want to drop dollars on garland. I found this and it was a really good deal. I think it was like $35 and I got 3. Really happy about this purchase. It comes with some pine cones on it if you want a little bit more of a natural vibe, but this is just really beautiful. It's really long garland and it gives just like a really expensive look. Garlands that look the most like natural, doesn't have a lot of glitter, doesn't have a lot of snow, just like plain grass almost looks the best. Next, you're going to need mini string lights. Intertwining the string lights within the garland looks really pretty. It's obviously very festive, and I really like these ones because they're super tiny. They just give like almost like that galaxy star feel. I like these way better than the traditional lights. These are just really tiny and mini, and it's the perfect length. You just put in some batteries, and that is actually the next thing that you're gonna need is some Duracell batteries. These take AA, so I just have some batteries for my lights. Need some wire twist dispenser because we obviously want to intertwine the lights with the garland. Scissors if needed, just in case you need to cut anything. Next thing that you're gonna need is baby's breath. I've recently fallen in love with this, and I just really love the feeling that it gives. It's like a very like calming, airy, just like free floral. I just really like it, and it's also in the inspo pic. They use this to decorate the CB2 photos. Those are all of the things that you're gonna need. Obviously you're gonna need a mirror as well. There's a huge mess in the back, so I have my box, so sorry you can see everything, but you're gonna need a mirror. This one is from IKEA. I bought it, I think, I don't know, a couple years ago. It's super affordable. I think like 50 or $100. Don't quote me on it, but one of those prices, really affordable, huge mirror. You guys always see me show you my outfits and the vlogs in this mirror, and I just think it's perfect. So the mirror that CB2 had in the photo is obviously huge. It's gorgeous, probably really expensive, but we're gonna use what we got, and I think it's still gonna give the same vibe. So first things first, we're gonna grab our garland. Like I said, I have 3. And basically what we want to do is give it like a shape where it's kind of just like falling off of the top of the mirror and draping downwards. The real challenge with this is going to be making sure that this stays. I want this part, so the end of it, to be on this side. So there's 2 sides of this garland. There's the side that kind of has this like all like hard part, and then there's the side that's just really like natural, pretty, and doesn't have any of that. So I'm just kind of combing it a little bit, and then I want it to kind of sit like that. I think that kind of works. How do I feel about the pine cone?
Grass.
Theirs didn't have pine cones.
I like the pine cones personally.
You guys vote down below. Let me know. How do you feel about the pine cones? Are we into it? Or are we not? I'm not sure. For now, I think I'll leave it, but like I said, I'm not sure. Bought 3 of these, but I don't think I'll need 3. I think I'll only need 2. This kind of like bends. Can we bend her? Oh yeah, we can bend her. Let me bring you guys down so you can see what I'm talking about. I want this to kind of drape on the floor. And you can really bend this, which is nice. And just kind of form it to how you want it to go. In the inspo photo, they had theirs draping on the floor, so I want mine to drape on the floor. Okay, so I am just, you know, combing the hairs, making sure that they're all going the same direction and it looks as natural as possible. Getting like all of the kinks out, really making it sit where I want it to. What's really nice about these is it's really bendable, so you can kind of like really make it go wherever you want. Still want this mirror to be functional, so I don't want to block it too much, but I think that looks really good so far. So now we're gonna take our baby's breath, and I am just going to place this kind of like everywhere. I'm going to space it out, really play with depth, and this is kind of, I always say this is where your own design eye is going to come out, and you really just need to be able to look at your garland and see, okay, what's missing, where do I need to add more, where do I need to take away, and just kind of play with it a little bit. In the photo, they kind of had it everywhere. Chestnut roasting. I don't think I really need to tie them because they're not hanging down, so I'm just placing those up there. Oh my god, that looks so pretty. What do you think so far?
Ooh, yeah, that's pretty.
Many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
All right, just improvising here. I thought I could add some little ornaments. These are just clear ones, just to add a little bit of something, a little bit more Christmas spirit to these. So these already have little hooks, and I'm just finding like the thicker part of the branch to hang these onto. Second ornament of the day, guys. Great job, Tanisha. Great job. That's fabulous. All right, we're gonna have to clean that up. All right, take 2. I feel like it would not be a DIY video without at least one fail, right? So clean that up. That's all clean. So now I got this hooked on. Oh God, please don't fall. All right, that looks cute. Let's do these ones over here. Just kind of hooking them on. There we go. A few more. Popping in here so you know what that means. It is giveaway time. Today we're keeping it simple, and I'm going to be Venmoing one of you guys $50 cash to do literally whatever you want with it. What you have to do is basic rules that apply to all of the giveaways. In addition to posting a screenshot of you watching my Vlogmas, whether it's today, whether it was yesterday, any Vlogmas video that you're watching of mine, post a screenshot of you watching it on your Instagram story and make sure you tag me, and then come back to this video and leave me a comment with your Instagram handle so that I can check. So that is the giveaway rule for today. I hope you guys are excited to win some cash money, and let's get back to the rest of the video. All right, I think that looks really good. So here is the final piece. So this is me realizing after the fact that I forgot to put on the lights. So now I am doing that. The lights are an important part, so I wanted to show you guys. And we're gonna get this right. Put the lights on, Tanisha. Come on. I'm out of my shirt. Completely forgot, but I remembered. That is the good thing. So now we're gonna put these on. I'm gonna try to not mess this up.
We both know this is wrong, so why do we carry this on? In the end, we probably won't stay friends. We both try to keep our distance, but feelings will never listen. No.
Okay, now that we are actually done, wanted to show you the final look. Obviously I have changed. Great job, Tanisha, realizing things after the fact. But hey, we got it on. I thought it was gonna be a hot mess, but it ended up working out. Got the lights on there. I just have it on this twinkle mode. It has a bunch of different settings. You can change the settings if you don't want it to move and you just want it to be like kind of simple and just stay stagnant. You can do that too, but I kind of like this twinkle mode. It looks really pretty, kind of like a star galaxy, which is what I was going for. So here is the final look. I think it looks even better with the lights on. I feel like this would be the cutest, like just month of December, you know, holiday season outfit of the day little photo op. So this is super cute, really easy to make. Honestly, all you need is some garland, baby's breath, and a little bit of patience. Honestly, that's all you need, and you could easily recreate this in your space or your home. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this little DIY. I hope you try it. If you do try it, please send me a photo on Instagram or tag me if you end up doing it. I really want to see your guys' recreations. And I will see you guys tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas.
The last night, the last memory of our last night, as I watched you.